From the moment you wake up, you depend on electricity. It powers the technology all around you, making your home safer, more comfortable, and responsive to your needs. But electricity is confusing. That's why we built Curb, the whole home energy intelligence system. Isn't it time to power smarter? To take control of the very thing that connects you to your world? Say goodbye to energy bills that come a month later and don't tell you where your money went. Curb shows you exactly how much power is being used at any time.
So I really love Curb for two reasons. I love it from a budget perspective, and I also love it from an environmental perspective. This part of the app here shows me exactly where my money is going so that I can have all the data I need to make changes for next month so I can lower my utility cost and also lower my impact on the environment.
Curb is installed in your home's breaker box, where it monitors everything that uses electricity. It lets you know when things are accidentally left on and forecasts your electric bill so that there are no surprises. Curb sensors work like a brain, processing electrical data and identifying home energy trends. So you can rest easy, knowing that Curb is always on the lookout. If Curb notices something odd, you'll find out right away. And if your appliances start acting up, Curb will give you time to plan. Curb will even remind you of the little things, so that you can focus on the more important things in life. Over time, Curb will learn about your energy behavior and give you personalized tips, saving you money and making your home more efficient.
What was really the benefit was this deeper understanding. How are we using energy? Where are we using it? It all has a cost associated with it, but it was that learning experience for the engineering folks amongst us that I thought was particularly valuable, and it does end up changing your actions. It changes the way you interface with energy, and that's a good thing overall.
Curb gives you the power of information and shows you the impact that changes have right away. You can even set up alerts when you get close to your budget to help you adjust and stay on track. And to make your life easier, Curb also works with other smart home devices, allowing you to power things on and off directly from the Curb app, no matter where you are. Power your life smarter with Curb.